Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the Glitterbels mystery box, which is the gel one, box 2. The video before this will be box 1, so if you haven't already checked that out then please do. I will leave a link down below. So yeah, let's open this. Let's open this. I'm excited. I am always excited for nail goodies. Right, let me get rid of these. There we go. So we have, I say, right, I will move the box over here. So we have the picker up tool. I got this in box 1, so I'm assuming every box is gonna get it. I mean, yeah. Then we have one of these unbelievable gels, and this is in stainless shine. Oh, I'm excited for that. This was also in box 1. I'm not going to open this one because if so yeah. Is this it? Oh, picked up the wrong one. Picked up my top coat. So yeah, this is the rainbow top coat if you haven't seen it. It's got tiny glitter in that. It's really pretty. I will show you a swatch of that. Okay, and then we have super smoothie. Oh, this is lovely. That is really pretty. I love that. And my plaster's coming off. And then we have chocolate frappuccino. Ooh, gorgeous nude. I really like that. Oh, I'm happy with this one. I'm super happy with this one. And then here we have the metal, oh, what's it called? You know, the metal file, but you don't get the things to stick it on, which is not a biggie. Yeah, so I'm happy with that. Right, let me get some swatch sticks. I'm going to open this because it can be very messy, and I'll come back. Okay, so I have put a base coat on to No2 swatch sticks. I will show you the top coat, the rainbow top coat, in a minute. So I wanted to do these ones first. So I'm going to do the chocolate frappuccino. This is a really beautiful colour. I really like this one. Why is it there is always fluff? Do you know, that's one thing that drives me crazy about gel. I don't know where it comes from. It drives me mad. So that is one coat. I will do two coats, and then this beautiful super smoothie. Oops. This one's really lovely. It's beautiful. Bloody fluff. Don't know where it comes from. Okay, that's the first coat of that one. And then this one, the Unbelievable Gel Stainless Shine. This is gorgeous. Oh, pop that in there. Oh, there. Beautiful. I don't know why I felt the need to sniff that then, but I did. Okay. I mean, look at that. It's bloody gorgeous. I'm bloody flapping. I'm faffing about here now. Trying to get the lines out of it. Beautiful. Right, I am going to do a second coat off camera, and I'll be back. Okay, so I've given them both, not both, all three. I've given top coats, 2 coats. Then I've done top coat, a shiny one, and a matte, just to show you what they look like. So I'm gonna start with the super smoothie. So that is it, shiny. That is it, matte. I prefer it shiny. Then, no, got it wrong. So this one I just showed you now is the chocolate frappuccino. So sorry, it's the shiny matte. Then this is the super. Oh, okay, I forgot to do the matte top coat on the super smoothie. So this is it, shiny, and then that matte. I like them both, to be honest. Then the Unbelievable Gel, which is in, I can't see it, Stainless Shine. This is beautiful. So there is it, shiny, and then there's it, matte. And then for the top coat, I did this in the other video. I just put 2 coats of black gel polish and then put the rainbow non-white top coat over that. Very beautiful. Let me zoom you out a bit. Here we go. So yes, that is all of them. They are the colours together. Really like this box. So yeah. Right, now onto the acrylics. Right, yeah. I'm going to record the acrylics. I bought 2 of the boxes, so look out for that. Right, I am off. Thank you all so much for watching. Take care and you'll see me in my next video. Bye bye.